Okay, so I was just at the park, and I was there by myself. There's nobody there. It's just me, and uh, there's a portion of it where I think it's for the hearing impaired. And then they have the, what do you call that? Sign language. So there's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, which is really interesting, and then it loops around J, which is funny. You have I to J, how that does that, and H, it points to the left side. Left brain controls the right side of the body. But if somebody's doing that to you, it would be reversed. Anyways, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P is down like this, pretty sure. Q, R, crossed legs. S, T, U, it's too bad U's not like that. U, V, W, X. X is C. X is C, which I found really interesting. I even took a rock and I drew it on the ground because I couldn't write on the playground stuff, but they have X as C. Y, and then Z. They have you draw it. Yeah, so I was just looking at that. I thought that was really interesting, and it would have been nice had they set there's a roller with different blocks, and each block has random stuff in it, like heavy rocks, some sand, and whatever, and you roll it and you can hear it inside. But had they made it so that each one you could place your hand on it, so that when you roll it you can feel the vibration, and maybe they could set it to whichever vibration gives a different, like, note or something like that, if that's possible. I don't even know if that's possible, but even when it comes to chimes or ringing or something like that, if you could place your hand on it and then do it so that the vibration, they could pick it up, that'd be really interesting. Right now it's just like a roller with blocks, and then you just spin it. Well, if you can't hear, other people can hear the noise, but they can't. And I tried putting my hand on the playground and spin it to see if I could feel the vibration. I couldn't. So it'd be cool if they placed it like that. I just thought that was really interesting. And there's a few other things too with the hand signs. So my name's A-M-A-N-D-A. I learned that a long time ago. It's very good to learn. It's very handy. I would like to learn Morse code more, SOS, but that'll be another time.